Well, good evening, friends. This is Rajiv. I would like to welcome to all of you to my live show. So, currently, I was discussing two topics. I would also discuss in this platform also. So, my page Lotus, the burning passion of achievement. I had discussed two topics: winners never quit, quitters never win. Success, neither success nor failure is ever final in life. So that's something I would like to discuss on the Facebook page, and I would like to have interactions with my friends after a long time. So today is holiday. Consecutively 4 holidays are there in West Bengal. So on this holiday, so I have planned to meet with my friends and to get connected digitally on this puja, because earlier what used to happen, we used to meet physically and we used to enjoy a lot. But right now situation has changed completely. So currently we have to celebrate these festive sessions maintaining social distancing and using all kind of digital platform. So this is a digital beautiful platform, Facebook page, Facebook Live. So I hope everybody is fine. My friends are doing fine, and wherever they are really good, and they are definitely celebrating this puja with utmost care, and they are taking care of all kind of norms, and they are managing themselves this pandemic properly. So friends, today I hope everywhere everybody has welcomed Ma Durga to this earth and celebrating with joy and festivities. But despite a lot of pandemic, lot of difficulties, our people have managed a lot, and they have managed to celebrate these occasions with joy and with all kind of happiness, despite difficulties and despite pandemic situations, despite demise of the lot of reputed people and their dear and near ones. But we have the determination to celebrate and welcome Mother Ma Durga to this earth, and we are doing that. We have this much of determination, this much of courage with us, that yes, we cannot stop these traditions and we cannot stop celebrating Ma Durga on this earth. This is a popular festival, and we have the positive optimistic attitude that definitely the pain and difficulties will be, and this epidemic will be vanished with the blessings of Ma. So friends, we need to celebrate this program with utmost care, and we need to celebrate with all kind of social norms and social guidelines to manage ourselves, and that's one thing. So friends, I hope everybody is fine, and all of my friends are doing fine, all the teachers, all the relatives, everybody is fine. So this is the puja festivity. So in spite of going to Odisha, I am in Bengal, Kolkata. So I thought that I have got a holiday. So during this period, I would try to give maximum levels of the videos regarding different kind of programs of my agenda, and I would try to interact with all kind of my seniors, all kind of my friends digitally, because I love to interact with my friends. I love to do some kind of live show, but due to the work pressure and professional hazard, I could not do that. But today my discussions, there are two topics I would discuss basically. One is winners never quit, quitters never win. Next is that neither success nor failure is ever final in life. So first I would like to discuss that winners, that the people who have the never ending desire, those who have the never surrendering their ambitions, they get the success in their life. So those who quit on the midway of their success, that becomes a tragedy, because most of the times what happens, after reaching 90% or 95, 99% of the level of the success, we just leave from the midway, we just leave from the end moment of the success, due to lack of the patience and due to lack of, I think, support from our society. Because most of the times when we are doing something good, sometimes we are doing and moving positively in the best way, that times we get all kind of restrictions, we get all kind of negative feedbacks, lot of criticisms, lot of jealousy, lot of kind of negative factors comes our way to hold ourselves back. A lot of obstacles, lot of problems takes place on our journey, and we face a lot of difficulty, and we feel frustrated, we feel depressed, But in spite of doing all kind of things, I think if some kind of obstacles are coming in our life, I hope we are doing fine and we are on the right place, right pace and right motivation, and we are having the right journey. Because if you are doing nothing, then you cannot get anything else, or you won't get any kind of judgment by the people. If somebody is giving some negative judgment or any judgment, it means you are doing something. You are doing something, you are doing your best job. That's why you are visible to some most of the segments of the people in the society, and they will definitely give some kind of comments. It may be your friends, it may be your teachers, it may be your superiors, it may be your dear and near ones. So that time, on that particular time, definitely we feel depressed, we feel very much sad, we are saddened that I am doing work in this critical juncture of my life. Despite getting support, I am getting this kind of painful comments, painful negative remarks by the people. So don't worry, people will give remarks. Their job is to give you remarks, because they can do anything else. Nobody knows your story, nobody knows your struggle, nobody knows the difficulty you are facing. Everybody knows how to give a cheap comment against you. But let them give the cheap comments, compete with yourself every day, challenge yourself that I have reached in this positions right now, I need to improve. Where is my weakness? I need to improve it, and the strength I am having, I need to improve that strength into such a level that there would be very few people to comment, there will be very few people to challenge with me. That's why we need to work constantly. We need to constantly work on our plan we have set. And then definitely we will reach in the positions. As I have always told that hard work beats talent. If you are working hard, definitely you will get the knowledge, you will get the experience. That's going to beat the talent. That's going to beat the so-called stamped designated successful people. Sometimes it becomes painful for some people to accept you, because they feel that they are only the giant, they are only the diamond, and nobody can beat them, nobody can substitute them. This kind of feelings comes. So they will definitely give you some kind of painful remarks. So don't be afraid of that. Work on that and work on your weak area, work on your gray area, and give importance to green area also, and make yourself so powerful that nobody can beat you and you will be the winner. And if you are quitting by this kind of surroundings, some negative judgment, negative sphere, don't be worried. People will give remarks. Their job is to give remarks, but your job is to give success. Your job is to give outcome. Your job is to give some healthy and constructive idea to the society. Then definitely you are going to be accepted and you are going to get success. So winners never quit, quitters never win. Those who are quitting, they cannot get that, and those who are getting win, they are consistently working. So this is one discussions. Next discussions I would like to that neither success nor failure is ever final in life. Most of the times our competitive people, our some sections of the students, some professionals, they constantly get failure. They don't get the desired goal they have destined to achieve that. So in that case I would suggest my friends that don't be depressed, don't be frustrated, don't be negative, don't be judgmental, work on that. If you are getting some kind of failure, it means you are consistently working, and you need to just change certain strategy, you need to change some directions, you need to change some plannings and work again. So definitely some modified efforts will come with a successful, powerful success. In our life what happens, sometimes when you are working so hard, you are working continuously, religiously, spiritually, so sometimes the outcome will be so surprising. You will never understand that this kind of things was there for me. Is it me, or am I the deserving person to get this kind of award, this kind of success, this kind of result? You will be surprised. But yes, you are the person, you are the same person. After going through all kind of ups and downs, you have got the success and you are getting the award. It means you have worked a lot. So you are the right person and you are that same persons. And this is one thing that don't be complacent with one success, because in every stage of the life, new challenges, new difficulties will come. So during this all kind of difficulties, you have to set different kind of strategy, different kind of plans. Again, you have to start working, and you have to reach on the destinations. Life is all about the activities, all about the work, all about the doing something best. And these things can come out of us only. So for that reason, just mental frame is required, that yes, I will do this. For that reasons, right now in this digital world, you will get YouTube, you will get a lot of news medias, all kind of friends. You can get success, you can get support, you can get the plan how to do it. Then start working. Don't think about the outcome, start working. And sometimes some difficulties, some impediments will come, some kind of things, wrong things will come. So that you don't need to be worried, just keep on working. So friends, today this topic is over, and evening night time also I will come with some other topics. So for today friends, this is I am winding up the sessions by doing two things. Winners never quit, quitters never win. Neither success nor failure is ever final in life. All those things will move, just we need to work on, we need to keep have patience, and we need to work religiously, spiritually. We need to prepare. Suppose some competitive people or some people are preparing but not getting job at the final juncture, final last 11th hour due to certain things. But this is the right thing, right statement for this category of the people, that keep on working, keep on moving. Definitely, if you are doing some work religiously, spiritually and sincerely, success is bound to kiss on your feet. But till then, you have to keep on working, and you don't need to give attention to your peripherals, negative surroundings, negative thoughts. Work and improve yourself, take genuine feedbacks, take some suggestions from senior teachers and work on. I'm sure you will get the success and nobody can stop you getting that. So friends, I hope everybody is safe in these situations, and let us enjoy this puja with optimum with our best, because we have got the vacations during this time. This is our time. Let's enjoy, let's give some kind of rest, and try to improve some activities which will give the boost, which will give us the best nature. So friends, thank you very much for watching Lotus the Burning Passion of Achievement, again live in the Facebook session, and I will also come out with my YouTube channel Lotus the Burning Passion of Achievement. So friends, thank you very much for your love and affections, and I will keep on moving, keep on coming with different kind of new ideas, new thoughts in front of you friends. So we will move and we will do some kind of innovative thoughts. Thank you, have a good day, have a good evening friends. Thank you, bye bye. And keep sharing, keep liking my video, and it will give motivation to me, and I will also improve myself, and I will also work best on my side. Thank you.